Find the area of and perimeter of a rectangle. First of all, let's identify the variable to be used. To find the area of we are going to use a variable. We need a length times breadth. It will give us the area. So that is L should represent our length. So we declare variable L is equal to, and assuming we are entering a float number, that is number with decimal points. Whatever we enter should be converted to floats. So then the input functions allow us to enter the value when we are running our program. So let us enter the length of the triangle, which is represented by L. Then the breadth, we should convert it to floats as we did the first one. Then input inputs enter the breadth. So what's to be done now is that perimeter is we can use PR to represent our perimeter. Variable PR is equal to, perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B to L plus B. Perimeter is 2 into bracket L plus B. So whenever you are writing brackets, you should be careful. So you put multiplication sign in order to avoid syntax error. So now we move to area. We assign our result into area is equal to L times B. So Python is case sensitive. If you are using small letter, you use it throughout. Else it will take it as another meaning entirely. The perimeter is the value of PR being calculated up. So the second one is to print out the result, the area is comma area. So yeah, I've written a simple program to find the area and the perimeter of a rectangle. So let's run it. Enter the length, the breadth. So it has given us both the area and the perimeter of rectangle. Thanks for watching.